In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring reminders in Slack. First, open Slack and head to the place where you want the reminder to appear. That can be a direct message with yourself if it's a personal nudge, or any channel if the reminder should be visible to the whole group. Choosing the right destination matters. Reminders in a direct message are private, while reminders in a channel notify everyone who can see that channel. Next, click into the message field and start by typing a /, then the word remind, all one word, /remind. This is a Slack command, not a normal message, so the / is important. As you type, Slack will show you a helpful suggestion that displays the format for the command. This is your cue that you're using the built-in reminder tool correctly. When you see the suggestion, click the one that looks like this, /remind, channel. What be? When? Think of those brackets as placeholders. Channel is where the reminder will be sent. You can use me for yourself, mention a person with the @ symbol, or pick a channel with the # symbol. What is the text of your reminder? What you want Slack to say back to you or your team? When is the schedule? When you want it to run. Now, fill in the command right in the message box. For example, you might type /remind #team updates, post the weekly report every Monday at 9 a.m. You can also remind yourself with something like remind me stand up and stretch every day at 3 p.m. Use quotes around the reminder text to keep it clear, especially if it's more than a few words. Slack understands natural language, so phrases like every weekday on the first Tuesday of the month or at 10:30 a.m. work well. If your team spans time zones, set times that make sense for the workspace's default time zone to keep things consistent. When your command looks right, press Enter. Slack will immediately confirm the reminder details right in the conversation, so you can double-check the channel, the message, and the schedule. If something doesn't look the way you intended, simply repeat the command with the correction. You don't need any special formatting beyond the brackets structure. Just keep the order of channel, what, and when. That's it. You've set a recurring reminder in Slack that will keep you and your team on track without any extra effort. Keep your phrasing simple, lean on natural language for the timing, and always place the reminder where it will be most